Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So firstly, we have to actually enter the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. As you can see here, we've got reset option, so let's tap on it. And at the very first position, we've got reset all settings. So simply tap on it. Your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because it will reset all settings on your device except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So if you are ready, just tap on Reset Settings. Here we've got the info that all the settings will be reset to their defaults and can't be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So if you are ready, just tap on Reset. And as you can see, right now your device will be restarted, and after that all the settings will be reset successfully. So let's wait. So as you can see, your Samsung just has been turned on, and it means that all the settings you've previously set has been restarted to their defaults. So actually that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.